Welcome to Advanced Level Tutorial of Chasing CM600 Robotic Cleaner. Please scan the QR code and download Chasing Go3 app first. After starting the robotic cleaner, search and connect the Wi-Fi beginning with robot on your phone. The default password is 1 to 8 in sequence. Open the app after connecting. If this interface shows up, it means you have a successfully connection. Before use, click the area on top to switch different modes. You can choose custom mode and set options. Then confirm. Go back to home page, click Start Cleaning. The robotic cleaner will begin the session. According to the program, the remaining cleaning time will display on screen. During this session, you can also choose to pause cleaning or stop cleaning. If your pool is rectangle shaped, you can choose rectangle in custom mode. Select floor to activate regular cleaning path. Press the start button to initiate the cleaning session. If you want to schedule a timing or delay cleaning cycle, click Schedule Cleaning section and select Cleaning Time. The robotic cleaner will begin the session on your program time in your selected mode. If you want to set a delay cleaning, click the Delay section and select Cleaning Time. The robotic cleaner will begin the session according to your settings. Please remember to put the robotic cleaner in the water. It will start working at the preset time. If you want to enjoy more of operating the robot, please select Manual Mode. Activate the Manual mode on upper right section. You can remotely control the robotic cleaner by tapping the phone screen. After cleaning session, click Pick Up. The robotic cleaner will approach the pool edge and emerge from the water. Hold the handle and drain the water. Then pull it out. Firmware updates will be released from time to time to bring you a better experience. Chasing app will automatically detect the latest firmware when your phone is connecting to a working network. Click Upgrade. After the download is complete, connect to the robotic cleaner's Wi-Fi. Click Upload. After the upload is complete, the robotic cleaner will automatically update and restart. After restarting, the update is finished. If you need to replace the filter, please press both sides of the filter plate with both hands and push it inward to remove it. Place the new filter in the filter basket. The mesh faces outside. Align and push outward to install the filter. That's a wrap for Chasing CM600 Advanced Level Tutorial. Have a pleasant use.